It'll be a retake of this personal lift Pty Ltd hydraulic lift at Indooroopilly general practice. Now, this Salient indicator, Dewhurst, red Dewhurst US95 with an LE-Tech, as the LOP on this level got replaced. Is your evacuation map. Salient indicator with an LE-Tech LOP station. It's maintained by LE-Tech, of course. Here it is. It's empty. Go to B. I already got to see the LOP on B2 before. Cab view. You are at B1. Here's the LOP. Go to G. B2 is locked for security reasons. Here's a good look of the LOP. Personal lift Pty Ltd. And that is written in small. And also cheap. Cheap generic Salient fixtures. We'll hop out here and take a look at the sensors. There. Weco. And there's a great view of the shaft. It's a hydraulic. LOP looks like on ground level. Send this to B1 and watch it going down. And there it goes.